Tug. Tug. You here? Hey. Good boy. Good boy. Come over here and show Oak. Come on, come show Papa Oak. Oak's got one. He's got one of the new ones we broke out. He's not sharing very goody. No. He's not sharing with Mama very goody. Here, Tug. Let's get yours. Here you go, big guy. There you go. Good boy. Oh. Oh. Got me old Oak's orange ball. It's a new one. He likes them when they're brand new out of the package. Yeah. I can't get it. Tug, let's get your ball. Come here. Come here, Tug. Come here. Come here, Biggie. There you go. Boy. Boy, Tug. Boy. That ball's out here to open up a store for chuck-it balls. Oh, you're tough, Oak. Oh, you're tough.